Greetings to all. Let us discuss classes in today's session. What is a class? Classes are a group of words that contain both a subject and a verb. There are two types of classes. They are dependent class and independent class, also known as main class and subordinate class. Independent classes, also known as main classes, can stand alone as complete thoughts. Look at the example. I drink coffee. It is a meaningful sentence. Whereas dependent classes can't stand alone as complete thoughts. Whenever I drink coffee, there is no complete sense in the sentence, which means a subordinate class needs help of an independent class to make a complete meaningful sentence. Look at the chart, children. Please be attentive. There are two types of classes. They are main or independent class, subordinate or dependent class. Again, subordinate class can be classified into three types. They are noun class, adjective class and adverb class. Remember, dependent classes can be classified into three types. They are adjective class, adverb class and a noun class. Let us discuss noun class definition. A class that functions as a noun. So what is a class? Class is a group of words that contain both subject and predicate. So here, what is subject? Hope that you remember, subject is a word that can take the place of a noun. Look at the example. Whatever you wish is my comment. In the sentence, we don't have proper noun. Here, the word you is subject which acts as a noun. So, what is verb in the sentence? Wish is the verb. So, whatever you wish, which means subject along with the verb is known as noun phrase. Here, this acts as a noun. Remember, a noun class takes the place of a noun in the sentence. If we don't have a proper noun in the sentence, we can consider a noun class as a noun. So, noun classes are dependent classes used as noun. Adjective classes are used to point out or describe any noun or pronoun in the sentences. Adverbial classes are used as adverbs. Remember this? Children, you can remember from the name. So, noun classes are used as nouns, whereas adjective classes are used to point out, which means describe noun or pronoun, whereas adverbial classes used as adverb. Let us discuss adverb class. As I said already, adverb class are used as adverbs. It begins with an subordinating conjunction. Conjunction, hope you remember, they are connecting words such as how, if, until, though, after, when, where, why, and so on. So look at the example. If Sam calls, please tell him that I will be late. Here, Sam is subject, calls is verb. So what is a class? Subject plus verb is a class. It starts with the subordinating conjunction if. So in the sentence, if Sam calls is an adverb class. An adjective class acts as an adjective. It describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. Remember, always adjective classes begins with a relative pronoun. Examples of relative pronouns are given. Go through it. Let us discuss adjective class through an example. Listen carefully. You can understand clearly. So see the first sentence. The angry tiger snarled at me. It is adjective. It describes the tiger. In the second sentence, the tiger that, remember, adjective class begins with a relative pronoun. So that is known as relative pronoun. The tiger that was angry snarled at me. So here, that was angry is known as adjective class. Hope you understood. Thank you, children.